Hey, Christian here. Today I'm hanging out with my good friend and colleague Maggie Sparling at her listing at 2232 Sheffield, 101 and 102. These are magnificent duet style townhomes in Raleigh, listed at $699. You should really come check them out. We're holding a broker open today, so if you're an agent or you want your agent to come see us, we'll be here today from 1 to 3. Check out, I'll put a link here for the development. They're really cool townhouses. As I said, they have kind of a farm style aesthetic on the outside, but super modern, open floor plans, just a delightful place. Check them out.